Hello everyone. Okay, now with in setup the environment. Now in this course we will use a virtual machine or a virtual box. Okay, and we will download Ubuntu 14. That this operating system it is very popular and has the compiler within it installed within it. So our work will be on this virtual machine, which is Ubuntu 14. Now how to download it? Okay, the first thing, type on Google Ubuntu 14.04. okay, now click here. This will image release Ubuntu. Okay, you can download 64 or 32, but it is recommended to download 32. Now I've downloaded it already, so I will not do this again. As you see, this is it is 1 giga, almost about 1 giga, and so on. Now this is VirtualBox. We will download it also. VirtualBox. Okay, this is from Oracle company. As you see, this is VirtualBox. You can hear or here, doesn't matter. Now this is, we want Windows host. Okay, almost 100 megabyte. Okay, 100 mega and 1 giga. Okay, after you download it, let's start. Now the first thing, you will open it like this. Click new, choose other, Linux 32 or 64, as you wish. Ubuntu, for example. I will type any game. This is the RAM. Next, create, next, dynamic location, create. Just to let you know that all of this has been discussed in the previous course, which is Linux and Bash script for beginners. So we will do it fastly. So this is storage. Yes, you choose what you want from here. Choose. Now I am okay. Now just click start and all of this will be, but I have already on. So the okay, now this is what we have now. Okay, now this is the work we have done right now. We have downloaded all what we need. Now as you see, this is the terminal. We will do all the compilation and execution in it. So I have to go to desktop. Sorry, I have to go to desktop. Now create a new file here called, for example, exam.py.c. sorry. Now as you see, open it. This is a compiler. You can download compilers like Sublime compilers, but Sublime is recommended, so fact. Exam. Now the basic syntax, as we discussed in the previous section, is like this: include stdio.h. As you see, the color has been changed. Control S to save. Int main. Sorry. Int main. Now open braces. Now press tab here for more fancy work. The semicolon is here. Don't forget. Return. Sorry, the return is return. Yes, as you see, the color has been changed. Now printf and the semicolon here. Printf hello world. Now how to compile this file? We will use the GNU GCC compiler, as we mentioned, like this syntax. We are an S. This is the file we want. So GCC, the file we want, exam.c -o means this is the output. So we'll do ex. As you see, it has been compiled successfully. ls.c, yes, it is. Make sure it is executable, but it is executable. Why? Because ex and in a green color. Now let's execute it by doing this ex. As you see, hello world. But why is this happening? Because we have to put a new line here. This is a symbol, means this is a new line. Let's see again. Sorry, we have to compile it again. GCC and this EX. Hello world. Okay, so thank you for today.